What's up guys, it's Kevin again and back with another video, and I have my wife with me today. Today we're going to be doing some car stuff, and we have a huge long list of things to do, but at the end we're going to try to put this engine with a tranny into the car over there. Nice. Did you get this one? Okay. What? Let's keep going.
What is it wrong with?
No, it's supposed to be kind of hard. It's gonna fall, so I'll hold it. And then you have one right here. Oh, just give me one more. Oh, right here.
It's like it's wobbling, did it?
Oh.
That was in
Okay. And then wipe it clean a little bit. And I have the replacement right here.
Oh shit.
Huh. Yeah, you just have to snug it on. There we go. And all the bolts are down here.
Did it? Oh shit.
That's okay. Alright, we just hammered this pilot bearing out of here. And I think we hammered it from this side, right? Hammered it out like that.
Yeah.
So that means we install it from the back then. Yep. Okay, you can see there's a lip where it sits on. Now here is the clutch kit that we ordered. It's the XTD from eBay. Stage 3. So here's the new pilot bearing here.
It's on full blast.
Oh, it just turned to the left. That's all.
Oh, that way it was full blast. It keeps coming on.
Alright, here is the throttle bearing. We're going to do this later. And then we have the XTD, the 6-puck clutch disc. Huge upgrade from a single face. And okay, now we're going to tighten down the flywheel without a torque wrench because we're just going to full send it. I mean, I have a torque wrench, but it should be fine as long as they are about tight foot-pounds. And we put the Loctite on. Make sure you tighten the star pattern like this. double check it. Okay, it's tight. We got the flywheel tightened down, the wipe down. It's time to install the clutch disc here. Make sure not to touch any of the contact pads. And then hold this for a sec. And then we take our alignment. I just don't touch those things.
Why? You say you can't touch it. I want to touch it.
No. Because then if you get grease on it, it'll alter like the gripability of it. And then just put that in this, line up in the center.
This way?
Yeah. Okay.
Is she making pizza?
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
I think that's
Leave it on. Yeah. Now we are going to grease this pivot ball and then this shaft here with some good old grease here, and then slip on the clutch fork along with the throttle bearing. Yeah. And then there we go. So when you press on the clutch pedal, it pushes on this. And this is what it's doing. And then there's that extra grease we can wipe off. Nice. Alright, on the checklist we have done all this. The next step is to bolt the transmission to the engine. We got the throttle bearing installed, everything's cleaned up for the most part and greased. The clutch kit is on, as you can see here. Now it's time to just bolt her up.